Vanya's got a win. I love celebrating these. She went from 22K to 27K a month in 2 months by implementing some systems in the course. Hired my person who will release me from continuing to clean, and she's coming in 2 weeks. Oh man, 2 weeks until things get super duper interesting, and then you get to focus on working on the business, which is super cool. So yeah,
Yeah.
congratulations. That's a good little jump in a short period of time, and you will continue to grow like that. It's just a matter of hacking away at the things that you can control. That's what the course is for. Like those are the low hanging fruit of the cleaning industry. The harder stuff, I think, is that the
Yeah.
efficiencies and trying to really tweak things. But getting automation in there and VA, all that stuff is super interesting and kind of easy to do in retrospect.
Yeah, congratulations, Vania. That's huge. Celebrate all those wins along the way. So increasing, I don't know what that percentage is, Brandon, but that's you did the percentage last week when someone shared that was like 17% increase, but that's
Sure.
an amazing increase. And just keep on taking action. What did you do, Vanya? You took action. You implemented something you learned, and that's the difference. Is some people learn stuff and they just think about it and they don't do much and they procrastinate. Take action, and action always beats everything. Any type of emotion, doubt, fear, uncertainty, just take action on something and it's going to eliminate that, and you're going to start getting momentum, and that's going to increase your belief, increase your results, and it's going to help you keep taking action on it.
Yeah, so
Great.
that is a 22.7% increase, which is huge. So way to go. If you can keep that up over the entire year, that's where you'll end up where we're at very quickly.